The joint program was founded to provide really good advice on big global issues.
Our overall research mission is to explore, understand, and identify risks and how these risks evolve under global change.
Population growth, economic growth, energy transitions, what's happening in agriculture and earth systems, environmental systems, socioeconomic systems, infrastructure, governance.
Climate is not the only issue which we are dealing with. And that's why the name of the program is not climate change, it's a program on global change.
We're trying to project how these systems are going to change, how they're going to co-evolve, how they're interacting, with the goal of providing a sound scientific foundation to help inform decisions.
To give good advice, you need to be quantitative. If you can't put a number on it, people glaze over. So we built a unique modeling system. It combined the human system and the natural system into a full interactive model. We called it the Integrated Global System Model, or IGSM.
It's basically computer code on your screen, and that is capturing these different relationships in the form of equations. The human system modeling is projecting emissions, energy, economies, and then we're linking with our Earth system modeling. So this is where we're capturing things like the atmospheric dynamics, ocean dynamics, air pollutants and how they matter for human health, the land system.
So we incorporate that into the model and try to understand how they might evolve under different policy support, how they might evolve in different regions of the world. We are trying to provide that information to decision makers at different levels. So we work a lot with industry leaders, government decision makers, NGOs.
Recently, a lot of companies have expressed a lot of interest in our modeling and showing, what would it take to get to net zero emissions.
There's no doubt in my mind that the whole notion of doing this integrated system modeling approach, that's the wave of the future.
There's growing concern about issues like environmental equity. We're expanding our capabilities to explore issues of how not only climate could impact different groups differently, but also policy can impact different groups differently.
The most recent one that we've added is in human health and well-being, so that when we evaluate a solution, we say, is it also sustainable and equitable?
This is not just abstract talk about some future. That future is arriving. What drives me is I'm hoping that the next generation or generation after that is going to look at our generation and say, oh, that's the generation which made the right choice to save the planet.